Gaudencio Nuntoc Ronquillo, and his wife, Mrs. Juelita Ramos Ronquillo. From Pinagbayanan, Tyson, Batangas. Mr. Gaudencio Ronquillo was born on February 12, 1940, and he is 72 years old now, while Mrs. Juelita Ramos Ronquillo was born on February 16, 1942, and she was 70 years old now. Mr. Ronquillo, kung tawagin natin ay si Kakang Ude, graduated at Pinagbayanan Elementary School in the year 1952, while Ate Juelita, as we call her, graduated in the year 1955, but they had 7 children. Ramil married to Sonia Velasquez of Pinagbayanan. Rosemary is still single. Randy married to Emilia Magnaye, a teacher of Pag-asa Taisan, Batangas. Redentor is still single. Rosalie married to Dennis Panrillo of Bolbok, Batangas City. Rodelisa married to Simplicio of Pulas, Rosario, Batangas. And Reggie married to Julius de la Cruz of Manila. Siya po ay may 15 apo. Gayun din po si Mr. Gaudencio at Miss Juelita Ronquillo ay napiling humarang mag-asawa ng parokya ng Taisa ng taong 2011. Palakpakan po natin sila.